Hi, I'm Greg Martin, back with another innovative pro design video. Today we're going to take a close-up look at the 991 turbo induction system. As you can see, we have created a cutaway version of the latest turbo plenum and white pipe. This intake mock-up gives you a good idea of how the intake system fits together, since it's not visible after the car is reassembled. So basically, forced air exits the left and right intercoolers, enters the white pipe where the two airflows then join together before passing through the throttle body. Air then enters the plenum and is directed into the intake manifolds and ultimately forced into the combustion chambers. So let's start with a detailed look at the IPD white pipe. IPD has invested countless hours of R&D with a variety of unique design features and multiple tested prototypes before finally settling on an optimum design that significantly improves engine performance. The IPD 991 turbo white pipe is larger than the factory version, allowing for greater volume of air, but not so large as to create pressure drop in the intake tract, causing lag and a reduction in overall performance. The shape of the white pipe has also been extensively manipulated with unconventional, non-round runners that substantially improve airflow and velocity. IPD has also once again implemented their proven shot-peened and dimpled interior surface treatment that creates a boundary layer, making airflow more laminar. All of these design features combined together make for some very impressive power and torque gains, as well as dramatically improving boost response for both stock and highly modified 991 turbos. The IPD 991 turbo white pipe produces an astonishing 35 plus wheel horsepower, 40 plus foot-pounds of torque, and makes both power curves considerably more linear. Now let's move downstream and take a closer look at the IPD 991 turbo plenum. As you can see, this plenum shares the same famous and proven Y shape as the other IPD plenums. This superior patented design splits and channels the air more efficiently, resulting in less turbulent flow and increased air velocity. This greatly improves boost response and engine power across the entire RPM band. The 991 turbo plenum also utilizes the shot-peened and dimpled interior surface that once again improves laminar flow by maintaining a thin boundary layer, helping to further optimize and expedite air delivery into the combustion chambers. Although it might seem counterintuitive, a slightly rough surface can vastly improve the airflow. It is the same principle of why a dimpled golf ball travels farther than a smooth golf ball. The 991 turbo plenum develops a staggering 40 plus wheel horsepower and 50 plus foot-pounds of torque, making the 991 IPD turbo plenum the most potent plenum in the IPD lineup. But it's the improved boost response and enhanced linear power bands that make these power gains more usable and more enjoyable. Once again, we all know the more efficiently an engine breathes, the more efficiently it produces power. The IPD 991 turbo plenum and white pipe deliver substantial power and torque gains, both separately and together, through superior design features that improve airflow efficiency and velocity, elevating the already visceral turbo driving experience. You can learn more about the 991 turbo plenums and white pipes and other IPD products at ipdplenums.com.